Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. And just briefly before we get started, I just want to give you a reminder to please do like, subscribe, and share this with someone else you think would enjoy our content. That all helps the channel out. All right, so today we're doing number 218. Let's start with this box. Looks like we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got a 2 and 7 here, so this is our 1. A 2 here, so 7, 2. For this box, we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got a 5 and 9 here, so this is our 7. Don't see any other help. So 5, 9, 5, 9. For this row, we're also missing a 3, which can't be in those two boxes. So this is our 3. For this column, we're missing a 3 and a 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. For this column, we're missing 6, 7, and 9. This 9 means the 9 can't be there or there, so it's here. There's a 6 here, so 7, 6. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 4, and I don't see any help, so 2, 4, 2, 4. For this box, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 5. For this bottom row now, we're missing a 4 and an 8, and I don't see any help. So 4, 8, 4, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 up here, so 1, 7. I don't see any other help, so 1, 7, 9, 1, 7, 9. For this row, we're missing a 4 and an 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this row, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got a 4 and 7 here, so this is our 5. Don't see any other help. So 4, 7, 4, 7. To finish out this box, we're missing a 2 and a 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 2. For this row now, we're missing 1 and a 5, and I don't see any help. So 1, 5, 1, 5. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got the 5 here and the 1 here. That means this is our 9. That 5 makes this our 1. This is our 5 and 9. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. That 2 makes this our 4 and 2. For this row now, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. No help here. 1, 4, 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 4, and no help here. 1, 4, 8. For this row, we're missing 6, 7, and 9. We've got a 6 and 9 here, so this is our 7. A 6 here, so 9, 6. That 7 makes this our 1. Makes this our 4 and 7. All right, so now we can get rid of this 7, this 1, and also this 4. So that means this is our 8. And then we can get rid of this 8. So to finish out this column, we're just missing a 3. For this row, we're missing a 2 and a 5. We've got a 2 here, So 5, 2. That 5 makes this our 1, 5. The 1 makes this our 4, 1. The 4 makes this our 8, 4. And the 1 and 7 make this our 9. And this one's our 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.